Hi, I'm Reece from Ansell Lighting and I'm excited to introduce the Disco Evo. Our next generation circular bulkhead built for speed, strength and efficiency. To make installation even faster, Disco Evo is speed optimized from the box. The base comes detached and facing up, so you can start straight away. Its twist-on diffuser, two-part design and push-fit terminals make fitting quick and simple, cutting down time. For a stable, secure installation, Disco Evo includes 4 fixing points, a reinforced base and pre-drilled back entry with grommet for effortless and quick cable access. Delivering up to 145 lumens per watt in a slim, modern profile, it's perfect for commercial, industrial and residential spaces. With multiple CCT and dual power selection, you can choose between 3, 4 and 6500 colour temperatures for total flexibility. Disco Evo, fast to fit, efficient to run and built to last. With a 5-year warranty, a complete peace of mind.